Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are the Flores 4. I hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's, and today's video is going to be a little different. We are going to be cooking. She is not entertained. But yeah, I did a poll on my Instagram. It was Chile versus Poppers, and Poppers won. So today I'm going to be showing you my version of Poppers. Well, it's not really my version. I got it from my ex-stepdad, but it's just so good. I thought that I would share it with you because it's really different than like original Poppers. So I'm gonna try to do most of the video without her, but she is teething and she's been attitude AF. So I'm gonna see how far I can get. If the video stops or you see like pauses, it's because I probably stopped the video to take care of her. But let's see how much we can get done. Okay, so first we're gonna go over the ingredients. We're gonna need jalapeños, of course. Oh wow, they just fell out. You're gonna need about 10 to 12 for every pack of bacon that you use. So we're gonna use this bacon. And you are gonna need cream cheese, but instead of using the regular cream cheese, we're gonna use brown sugar and cinnamon cream cheese. And you're gonna need some brown sugar. And I'll put all the ingredients and the steps in the comments or below or whatever. Okay, and then you can use some toothpicks. Toothpicks are optional. It just pretty much holds the popper together. And yeah, so those are the ingredients. And let's see, I'm gonna wash the jalapeños first. So let's see if I can put her down and we'll wash them. Okay, Camilla literally has no chill, so I have to push her with my foot in this little thing that she has. So that's what that noise is. But now that the jalapeños are washed, I'm gonna cut the tops off and then cut them vertically. So all we're doing is just cutting the top and then cut it in half. And there's the poppers. Now we are going to de-seed them. So if you like your poppers super hot, you can leave the seeds in, but I still feel like even with taking the seeds out, it's still pretty hot. So all I'm gonna do is get a spoon and scoop out the seeds. Okay, so all that I'm doing is getting the jalapeno, a spoon, and just scrape out the seeds. Now that's all of them, so I'm gonna wash these again, wash off all the seeds and everything, and then we will put the cream cheese inside of them. Now all we are gonna do is get a scoop of cream cheese, a jalapeno, and just put some cream cheese in there. And it's really easy if you do it with a butter knife, and it doesn't have to be like the fanciest. Just put that in there. Boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all of them, and then we'll be ready to wrap it with bacon. Okay, so now that my jalapeños are filled with cream cheese, I'm gonna get the bacon, cut it in half, and then wrap each one, and then put a toothpick in it. So very simple, and then they are ready to go in the oven. Or are they? And then after you are pretty much used to it, you become a pro and you are wrapping poppers like nothing. So there we go. Oh, and the reason why you can't see my face is because my counter space and the way that my cabinets are just doesn't work out like that. So yeah. But there we go, I'm in my little popper groove. So we are almost done. Okay, now all of the poppers are done. They each have a toothpick. So before we stick them in the oven, and I preheated my oven to 400, we're gonna put on the secret ingredient, which is the brown sugar. And it doesn't make it too sweet, but it is so good because it's hot and then you get that sweet taste. So I really like them, and I hope that you do too. And if you try them, let me know if you like them. So yeah, now we're just gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on top and put them in the oven. Okay, here are my poppers. Like I said, they are not the prettiest, but they're just for me and Elijah, my husband, so oh well. But now I'm just gonna sprinkle some brown sugar. And once you try them, you'll know like if you like the brown sugar taste, so you'll know about how much to put. But that's about all that I'm gonna put, and now they're ready to go into the oven. Okay, the poppers are in the oven now. I actually don't know how long it takes because I just never really time it. I just wait until the bacon's done, and as long as the bacon's done, they're good to eat. But I will time it just to let you know about how long it takes. So we'll see. So while we wait, I just want to talk about how crazy it is that now I am doing cooking videos with you guys, because whenever I first started, I was so sick. Anything made me nauseated. I mean, I never thought that I was gonna be alive, really. Last year, I really thought like I was not gonna make it whenever I was pregnant with Camilla. I was going through so much. I was so sick. It was just crazy. Just thinking about it, it makes me kind of sad because I was so miserable. But now, I mean, I'm here for a good time. And I just want to thank you guys for watching us and telling me you want to see cooking videos and stuff like that. It just really makes my day. So our poppers are done. It took about 25 minutes to get the bacon done. And here is a little plate of them. So, and they are super, super good. So I hope you liked my video. If you want me to cook anything else, just let me know. Give me some suggestions. Yeah. And if you try it, let me know and I'll post you on my story. So just, if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe. Hit the like button. Give it a share. And yeah. Hope you all have a very blessed weekend.